Are you searching for best dial indicators set in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best dial indicators set in 2023. Number 1. Popular Tooleye Dial Indicator. Product name, Dial Indicator, Measuring Range, 0-10 mm/0-30 mm, Resolution, 0.01 mm, Features, the accuracy of the dial indicator is 0.01 mm, which can more accurately measure the concentricity of the main body. The scale is clear, and the reading is intuitive and convenient. High-quality stainless steel measuring probe, rust-proof and wear-resistant. Number 2. Latest Tooleye Dial Indicator Meter, Leverage Dial Indicator, Measuring Range, 0 to 0.8 mm, Resolution, 0.01 mm, Features, the measuring probe of the lever dial indicator can be adjusted 240 degrees at will. The measuring probe is made of alloy tungsten steel. Accessories combination, shaft sleeve 5.6 mm, 5.8 mm. Number 3. CDWAS Dial Test Indicator Gauge Universal Magnetic Base Holder Stand, Dial Test Indicator Gauge Universal Magnetic Base Holder Stand Table Scale Precision Indicators Center Finder Measurement Tool, widely used in the manufacturing industry, used for clamping dial indicators, micron dial indicators and dial test indicators, etc. It can scribe on workpiece if it's attached with a scriber, can be adjusted to any angle needed. It's an ideal checking device. Number 4. Keyuesr Leverage Dial Indicator Magnetic Base Holder Stand, Leverage Dial Indicator Magnetic Base Holder Stand Micrometer Measuring Tools Dial Gauge Precision Indicators Measurement Tool. Number 5. Shahe Dial Test Indicator, Orders, 220, Product Information, Accurate Measurements, Measuring Range 0-0.8 mm, Resolution 0.01 mm, Accuracy plus or minus 0.02 mm, Durable use, hardened alloy measuring head, large screen easy for reading, compact and firm structure, convenient and stable operation, easy to carry. Lightweight about 0.1 kilograms, it is portable, easy to control with one hand, wide application, facilitate accurate measurement of narrow and concave surfaces, and difficult to measure. Inside and outside diameters. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and stay with us.